Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain the solutions of paper 4 IGCSE Mathematics 058041 May June 2025. So let me start. Question number 1. Solve 4c minus 9 is equal to 13. So we need to solve where we need to find the value of c. So c, keeping the c term on the left hand side, let us bring the 9 minus 9 on the number minus 9 on the right hand side, so it becomes plus 9. So 4c is equal to 22. So c will be equal to 22 by 4. So 22 by 4 is how much? Check. 22 divided by 4 is equal to 5.5. 5.5 is the answer. Question number 1 is done. Question number 2. Work out 16.71 plus 46.13 by square root of 8.6 square minus 3.5 square. This is, we have to do this, and what your answer should be is give your answer correct to two significant figures. So two significant figures we need to write. So first let us find the answer. 16.71 plus 46.13 by square root of 8.6 square minus 3.5 square, 7.999. So this is 7.999, 3,999 after decimal. If we try to write that as in the two significant figures, round it to, if we round this to two significant figures, you have to write 8, and you can write 8.0 because this is rounded. If we round this 9 to this 9, I mean this 9 is rounded, it should be rounded to 0 and then added to the number next to it. So 8.0. Question number 2 is done. Question number 3. In the USA, 1 gallon of fuel costs $4.8. In the UK, 1 liter of fuel costs 1.62 pounds. The exchange rate is 1 pound is equal to $1.215. 1 gallon is equal to 3.785 liters. These are the two conversions they have given. 1 pound and 1 gallon. In which country does 1 liter of fuel cost more and by how much? Give your answer in dollars. So now we need to find out in which country 1 liter of petrol. So now here the liter unit is used. So we have to find in both countries how much 1 liter of fuel costs. Okay. So for us UK, they have given 1 liter of fuel cost, but they have given in pounds. So let us find out, convert this pounds to dollars, you will get 1 liter of fuel cost in UK. So in the UK, UK 1 liter of fuel. UK 1 liter of fuel is equal to 1 liter fuel is 1.6 pounds, 1.62 pounds multiplied by 1 pound. They have given the dollars, right? So multiply with that, you will get the answer in dollars. So let us do that. 1.62 into 1.215, 1.9683. So this is the 1 liter fuel cost in UK. In the UK, this is the cost. Now this is done. Let us find out USA. 1 liter fuel. So now here they have given 1 gallon fuel for us. So we'll convert that 1 gallon into liters. So 1 gallon into liters means 3.785 liters, right? So 3.785 liters fuel they are getting in $4.83. Okay, so we'll divide that 4.83 by $4.83 divided by 1 gallon is 3.785 because we need 1 liter fuel. So just do that. 4.83 sorry 4.83 4.83 divided by 3.785, 1.2760. So we can round it to 1.28. This is the cost of 1 liter fuel in USA. So now let us compare now in which country it is more. It is more in UK, and how much more it is we need to subtract. So 1.9683 minus 1.28 will be 1.9683 minus 1.28. 0.6883. So we can make it as $0.69. So you can write here which country it is more. The UK, it's more in UK now. The by zero, already units are there, sorry, $0.69. Question number 3 is done. Question number 4. This is transformation question here. First question is, describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A onto shape B. Now this is the shape A and this is mapping onto shape B. We need to find out what is the transformation. So when you see this, it's getting shifted. So this kind of transformations are called translations. So write down translation by count the boxes. Now take one of the corresponding vertices of the both shapes, this one and this one. Now see how much it is getting shifted. So now it's going 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 1 2 3 8 and 3 is going down, so -3. So this is the vector. So write down here 8 minus 3 as vector. This is first question in A. Now in second question A, shape A onto shape C. What is the transformation now here? Shape A onto shape C. Shape A onto shape C, when you see it is rotation. When it gets like its orientation is changed, it is not same, so that means it is rotation. So now for rotation we need to find out center of rotation and we need to find out the angle of rotation. So I have made the video, separate video for this, how to find out the center of rotation and also angle. So here I will give you the answers. What is the center here? Center is origin, and the angle of rotation is 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So write down rotation 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Center of rotation is 0, 0, origin. This is done. Question number B. On the grid, draw the image of shape A after a reflection in the line x is equal to -2. So reflection needs to be done here. They gave us the reflection line, and that is x is equal to 2. -2. Yeah, it's -2. So x is equal to -2. -2 is here. Draw a line, dotted line you can draw. I don't have dotted line here for you to show. You can make a dotted line. Now this is the line of reflection. This is x is equal to -2. Using this line, now reflect the each vertex of this shape. So now let me reflect this vertex. So it is 2 boxes. So here 2 boxes it will be. The same thing this one also. Now next this vertex is 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way this vertex is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this vertex is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And this vertex now it's 1, 2, 3. So it will be 1, 2, 3. This one. Draw the shape. Take your rulers and do. Use your rulers to find out the shape. Question number 4 is done. Question number 5. These are the first 5 terms of a sequence: 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. Find the 10th term of this sequence. So when you see these numbers, they are all cube numbers. Numbers 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, and so on. So now 10th term will be 10 cube. 10th term will be 10 cube. So 10 cube is how much? 1000. So this is the answer. Question number A is done. B. These are the first 5 terms of a different sequence: 5, 8, 13, 20, 29. Now when as you see this sequence, you are not finding any pattern, regular pattern. So we need to find the nth term of this sequence here, the question. So find out now what kind of the sequence is this. So just find out the difference between 5 and 8. Difference between 5 and 8 is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then 8 plus 5 is 13. Then 13 and 20 if you take it is 7. And 20 and 29 if you take it is 9. Then again 3 and 5. Then again 5 and 7 is 2. Then 7 and 9 is 2. Now you got the same difference. So now this is a equation with a square term in it. So let us first write the general form of the equation. General form of the equation is an square plus bn plus c is the not equation, the nth term. The general form of expression for this nth term. Now here we need to know a, b and c for this sequence. So now taking the values for n as 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 2, 3 and 4, will make 4 equations for this expression. So the first term is 5, that means n is 1. So a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c is equal to 5. This will give you equation a into 1 square is a, b into 1 is b, c is equal to 5. This is equation 1. Then next taking n as 2, a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus c is equal to 8. This will give you equation a into 2 square. 2 square is 4, 4a. b into 2, 2b. And c is equal to 8. This is equation 2. Same way, taking n as 3, a into 3 square plus b into 3 plus c is equal to 13. This is 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to 13. Equation 3. Same way, a into 4 square plus b into 4 plus c is equal to 20. That gives you 16a plus 4b plus c is equal to 20. This is equation 4. Now subtracting the equations 2 minus 1, from 2 subtract 1, you get 4a minus a is 3a, then 2b minus b is b, and c minus c gets cancelled, and 8 minus 5 is 3. This is equation 5. And doing now equation 4 minus 3, subtracting 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 3. We get 16 minus 9 is 7a, 4 minus 3 is again b, then c minus c will also be cancelled here, and 20 minus 13 is 7. This gives you equation 6. Now taking these two equations, again do 6 minus 5. We get 7a minus 3a is 4a, b minus b that gets cancelled, 7 minus 3 is 4. So we got 4a as 4, which gives a value as 4 by 4, that is 1. We got a value. Now substitute this a value in any one of these equations. A is equal to 1, substitute in equation 3, 3 into 1 plus b is equal to 3. This gives you 3 into 1 is 3 plus b is equal to 3, and b will be 3 minus 3, that is 0. We got b value. Now take these two, a value, b value, in equation 1. Substitute substituting a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 in equation 1. We get 1 plus 0 plus c is equal to 5. So c will be 5 minus 1 is 4. So we got a value, b value and c value. Using this general term for nth term, a n square, that means 1 into n square, that is n square, plus b into n, that is 0 into n, will not be there, 0 into anything is 0. Then c is 4, so n square plus 4. This is the nth term for this sequence. Question number B is done. Question number C. The sum of the first n terms of another sequence is n by 2 phi n minus 1. This is the sum of n terms. Use n is equal to 2. Find the sum of first two terms in this sequence. So sum of first two terms will be n by 2, that is 2 by 2 into phi into 2 minus 1. 2 by 2 is 1. 1 into 10, 5 2s are 10, so 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 1 is 9. So sum of first two terms is 9 here. Question number 2. Find the third term of this sequence. Now in this might be a little bit tricky here. Finding the third term. So find third term, what will you do is find out the sum of three terms. Do S3 here. So 3 by 2 into 5 into 3 minus 1. This will be 3 by 2 into 5 into 3 is 15 minus 1. Thus that will be 3 by 2 into 14, which is 2 times 1 and 2 times 7. You can cancel out. 3 7s are 21. So sum of three terms is 21. So to get the third term, we will do S3 minus S2 will be the third term. We know S2 here. So 21 minus 9. 21 minus 9 is 12. So the answer is, third term is what here? 12. Question number 5 is done. Question number 6 now. Question 6. Expand 5x square into 3x minus 2. So here we have to multiply 5x square with 3x and minus 5x square with 2. Because this minus is here, I have taken. So if I won't take the minus here, I can put it here plus and take minus here. I can take for 2 as minus. So overall you will get there minus sign. You can do in this way also, because plus 5x square into minus 2x. This will be the second step. Now 5x square into 3x will be 15x cube, whereas 5x square into minus 2 will be minus 10x square. So this is the answer. So here the line has been gone, edited. So this is 15x square cube, minus 10x square. This is the answer for this expand question. Question number 6. Question number 7. Write down the inequality in y shown by the number line. So this is the number line given to us, where the one of the circle is shaded and another one is not shaded. This is exactly at in between minus 2 and minus 1, so it is minus 1.5, and it is exactly at 4. So you will be taking the variable y here, because its inequality in y is shown. So you have to take y as a variable, don't take any other variable here. So it is minus 1.5, minus 1.5 less than or equal to y less than, why I am taking equal to, because this is shaded, and when it is not shaded you will just take less than 4. This is the answer. Question number 8. Hadi buys a dishwasher. He can either pay a single payment of $980 or he can pay using a monthly plan. The monthly plan is 20% of $980 plus 12 payments of $75.25. Hadi uses the monthly plan. Calculate the total amount Hadi pays. So he is using monthly plan. So in monthly plan, how much he is paying? 20% of $980 plus 12 payments of 75.25. So 20% of 180 will be this plus 12 payments of 75.25. You will get the total amount for Hadi he paid using the plan. So just put this in calculator, you will get the answer. 20 by 100 into 980 plus 12 into 75.25, 1099. This is the amount he will be paying. Question number A is done. In question 8. B now. Find the percentage increase in the cost using the monthly plan compared to a single payment. A percentage increase, you need to know the difference between the payment which is taken as single payment and which has been done by monthly payment. So what is more? The monthly payment is more, and subtract that with the single payment. You will get the the amount which is extra paid here. 1099 minus 980, 119. So he paid how much? $19 more, but we need to find out here percentage increase. So percentage increase will be 119 by 980 into 100. $12.14. So this will be equal to 12.14%. Question number 8 is done. Question number 9 now. In a sale, the original price of a sewing machine is reduced by $38. This is an 8% reduction in the original price. Work out the original price of the sewing machine. Now here they have only given us the original price was reduced by, that means it was reduced by $38. This is an 8% reduction in the original price. So let us take, let the original price be X. So X by 100, 8 by 100 into X, 8% reduction, right? So 8 by 100 into X will be 38. This gives you X value. 100 will be multiplied to 38 and 8 will be divided. 8 4 4 2s are 2 4s are 2 into 50, 2 2s are 2 into 25, 2 1s are 2 16s are, no sorry 2 19s are. Or else you can directly put the whole thing in calculator and find out. No need of doing cancellation and all. So just do 38 into 100 by 8, 475. So original price of the sewing machine was 475. Question 9 is done. Question number 10 now. Write down all the factors of 18. So for writing the factors of 18, you need to check in every number what is the other factor you are getting. Like 1 into what is 18? So 1 into 18 is 18. 2 into what? 2 into 9 is 18. 3 into what? 3 into 6 is 18. Then 7 into, there is no 7 table, there is no like 4 table, there is no 18. 5 table, no. 6 table, yes. 3 2. So 6 it is repeating. So stop it. Whenever repetition comes, you stop. So these are the factors of 18. 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, 6. Question number B. Factorize 3y minus xy plus 15 minus 5x. Factorization, you have to take common factors from the terms. Now the first two terms I can see y is common, so take y into 3 minus x in brackets. So y into 3 minus x plus, in these two terms you can see that 5 is common. 5 into 3, 5 into x, and 3 minus x you will have in the bracket. So now you got same common terms. So 3 minus x you take common, and 5 minus 5 plus y plus 5 is the next factor. So this is the factorization of the given expression. Question number A and B is done. Now C. 3y minus xy plus 15 minus 5x is equal to 18, where x and y are positive integers. Using your answers to part A and part B, find one possible value of x and the corresponding value of y. So now when you factorized this expression, this is the same expression which they gave in question number B. So take that factorization now and equate it with 18. So 3y minus, I need to take I'm directly taking the factorized thing. 3 minus x into y plus 5 is 18. Now in 18 we saw what are the factors. Like the factors are 2 and 9. 1 into 18, actually first one is 1 into 18, then 2 into 9, then 3 into 6. Now if I take 3x as 1, it will be 2 into y should be y plus 5 should be 9, so it should be 4, isn't it? So 3 minus 1 into 4 plus 5 will be 18, and they are saying that the value of x and y, one possible value using your answers to this one, where x and y are positive integers. So we have to take only positive values for x. So if I took x as 1, y is 4, and if I take x as 2, now 3 minus 2 if I take, so this is 1 now. 1 into this whole thing should be 18. So 5 plus what is 18? 5 plus 13 is 18. So this will be the answer. So I will just underline, if x is 1, y is 4, if x is 2, y is 13. So you can take any one of these as the answer. So you can take 1 and 4. Next one. Question number 11. A warehouse has a floor area of 800 meters square. The plan of the warehouse is drawn to a scale of 1:50. Now whenever the scale question is given, you need to understand that this is given in centimeters. Like 1 centimeter is 50 centimeters, not the area. It is only the scale for the single dimension, like the length or the measurement. The measurement cannot be area. The scale always should be considered with the length or height or whatever, like that kind of unit is considered in scale. Calculate the floor area on the plan. Give your answer in square centimeters. Now we need to find out the floor area on the plan. So first of all, the floor area of the warehouse is 800 meter square. That is given in meter square. We need to convert this into centimeter square. So 800 meter square will be equal to 800 multiplied by 10,000. We will get the answer as 8 million centimeter square. Why? Because 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Now we got the floor area as centimeters. Now we need to do the on the plan how much it should be. So we will divide this the scale. So now 1 centimeter is equal to 50 on original. So 1 centimeter square will be 50 into 50 centimeter square. So that is 2500 centimeter square. So here we have 8 million centimeter square. So divide that into 2500 divided by 2500. You will get the floor area of the plan. (3,200) is the floor area of the plan, centimeter square. This is the answer. Question number 11 is done. Question number 12. The diagram shows triangle PQR. Calculate the shortest distance from Q to PR. The diagram shows triangle PQR here. So this is a triangle and one angle is given, that is the angle here 115 degrees, and the other angle is given 42 degrees. One of the side is given PQ, which is 12.5 centimeters. Now we need to find the shortest distance from Q to R. So for that we need to see what is the shortest distance. The shortest distance is always the perpendicular line from the point to the line where the distance they have asked. So this is the perpendicular line. So when you draw this perpendicular line, you can see that there is a triangle formed, which is a right angled triangle. So to get this side now, that means we need to find the side length of this. That is the shortest distance. So to find that we can take the tan angle value, because we know the adjacent side, we need to find the opposite side. So tan 42 will be in triangle PQ. We can name it as here PQS tan 42 will be equal to QS by 12.5. This will give you QS is equal to 12.5 multiplied by tan 42. Find out. 12.5 into tan 42. 11.255. Tan 42 into 12.5. Okay, sorry students, I have taken the wrong thing here. Actually it is sine we have to take, because it is hypotenuse. 12.5 is hypotenuse, it's not adjacent side, because opposite side of the right angle is a hypotenuse. So we will take sine 42. Okay, in triangle PQS, sine 42 is equal to SQ by 12.5. So this will give you the answer for SQ, which is 12.5 into sine 42. into sine 42, 8.364 centimeters. You can round it to 8.36. Question number 12 is done. Question number 13. Make x the subject of this formula. So we have to change the subject here. For changing the subject, always keep the subject what needs to be made, keep it on the left side and keep everything on the right side. Now I have flipped the same equation. Keeping the x square term on the left side, I need to bring the w square on the right side. So it is 8a minus w square. Keeping x square on the left hand side, bring 5 on the right hand side. So a minus w square by 5. Because it is multiplied, it gets divided. Now we need only x, so we have to write plus or minus square root of a minus w square by 5. Because we need to square root. Whenever you are finding this square and we need to find the actual value, then you have to square root. So this is the answer, plus or minus square root of a minus w square by 5. Question number 13 is done. Question number 14. The table shows some values for y is equal to 5x square minus x cube minus 4. We have a table here and 3 of the values are missing. That is, for x is equal to minus 1, when x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4, we have to find out. So use your calculators for this. Take this expression 5x square, so 5 into negative 1. The negative 1 value we don't know. Negative 1 cube, square, sorry, first is square, then minus again negative 1. This is cube because it is x cube, then minus 4. This is 2. We got 2 for this. Okay, then next, instead of minus 1, we will change it to 1. The value is 0. Next, it is 4. So now take the cursor and delete, make it 4. So we got the answer 12. Next, complete the table is done. Now we need to do on the grid, draw the graph of y is equal to 5x square minus x cube minus 4 for 2. This is got edited, students, so the edit part has become something wrong. So let me write it as minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. This is okay. So here we need to draw the graph. So let us put the points according to x and y values given in the table. So let me use the red color pen here. So minus 2 is 24, minus 2 is 24. So 24 will be 4 boxes above 20. So this is 20, This is 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24. Because each box is one number on the y-axis, and on the x-axis it is not 1, it is 0.12, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and so on the x-axis. Okay, so now minus 1 is 2. Minus 1 is 2 means the 2 number is just 2 boxes above this. This is 2. 0 minus 4. So 0 is minus 4, you have to go 4 numbers below. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minus 4. 1 and 0. 1, 0 means it's exactly here. 2, 8. 2, 8 is 8 numbers above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you attempt such kind of questions, you need to first understand the axis and the division of the numbers. That is very important while doing graph questions. Question number 3, 14. 14 will be after 10, 4 boxes. So this is 10, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 14. Then 4, 12. 4, 12. 12 after 4, after 10 it will be 2 boxes. 4, this one is 12. Then 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is again below 5. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 here. We marked all the points. Now draw the graph connecting all these points. So this is the way you have to connect the dots. Now this is a graph completed. Yes. Question number C. By drawing a suitable straight line on the grid, solve the equation x cube minus 5x square minus x plus 14 is equal to 0. Now this is another equation given to us, and we need to draw a straight line. For that we need a straight line equation. Then we have to solve this equation. Okay, so find the values of x. That means, so first of all, let us take the given equation which is already given to us as y is equal to x cube 5x square minus x cube 5x square minus x cube minus 4. This is the given equation, and this equation is 0 is equal to minus 5x square. Let us write the like terms one below the other, plus x cube plus 14 minus x. Add these two equations. Y plus 0 is y. 5 minus 5x square minus 5x square cancel, 0. These two also gets cancelled. Minus 4 plus 14 is 10 minus x. So we got an equation which is a linear equation, that is we can draw straight line using this. Now here what is C? When the equation is in the form of mx plus c, c is y-intercept, m is the gradient. So c is 10 here, and m is minus 1, that is minus 1 by 1, that is 1 will change in y is negative 1, change in x is positive 1. Now mark the points accordingly for this equation. Now it starts at 10 because y-intercept is 10. 1 box below, change in y is 1 because here 1 unit is 1 box, and change in x is also 1, so 1 is complete 10 boxes. Yeah, 1, 1, Okay, 1 like this. So using your ruler, connect these dots and extend it in such a way that it cuts this graph. It cuts this graph at 3 places. Use your rulers for this. Now you see that it is cutting at 3 places. So exactly it is cutting at this place. It is minus 1.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1.5. So x is minus 1.5. Minus 1.5. X is equal to exactly at 2. And x is equal to 4.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. 4.5. This is the answer. Question number 14 is done. Question number 15. The height of each of 140 basketball players is recorded. The table shows the results. Calculate an estimate of the mean height. Now for mean we need to know the mid values of the given classes. So now we have here the first class having 160 plus 180, 160 to 180. So the mid value will be 160 plus 180 by 2. So this is the, let us take x, 120. Next 170, sorry, this is 170. Next 180 plus 185 divided by 2. 180 plus 185 divided by 2. 182.5. Next 185 plus 190. Divided by 2. 187.5. Next 190 plus 200. 390. 390 divided by 2 is 195. Next 200 plus 210. Divided by 2. 205. So this is the values we get for each class. Now finding mean will be, mean is equal to, mean height is equal to 170 into 7 plus 182.5 into 12 plus 187.5 into 31 plus 195 into 70 plus 205 into 20. This can be divided with, this has to be divided with the total number of people, that is 140. So just put this in calculator, you will get the answer for mean height. So 170 into 7 plus 182.5 into 12 plus 187.5 into 31 plus 195 into 70 plus 205 into 20 by 140. 192.1446. 192.436. So 192.4 we can write 4 centimeters. This is the mean height. Question number A is done. In 15th question, question number B now. Two of the players are chosen at random. Find the probability that both players have a height greater than 190 and no more than 200. So greater than 190 and no more than 200 is this class. This is 70 people are there in it. So just we need to take that as the first probability. 70 by the first person will be out of 140. These 70 people's chance is there to be selected. So 70 by 140. Then after one person is chosen, 69 are left in that and 139 are left here. So this will be the complete probability of two players chosen at random. So 70 zeros get cancelled and 7 ones are 7 twos are. So it is 1 into 69 by 2 into 139. Oh, sorry. 1 into 69 by 2 into 139. You will get 1 into 69, 69. 2 into 139 is, find out, 278. And there is no way to simplify here. So our answer will be 69 by 278. Question number B is done. Question number C. Complete the histogram to show the information in the frequency table. So we need to find the draw the histogram here. For that we need frequency density because the y-axis is frequency density and x-axis is heights. So frequency density for all the classes, let us find out. Frequency density. First class is, the frequency is 7. So frequency divided by the class size. 7 by, what is the class size here? 20. This is the class size. You will get the frequency density. Next, the class size is 5 and the frequency is 12. So 12 by 5. Let me write all that and then I will calculate. Third class, what it is? The frequency is 31 and the class size is again 5. 185 to 90 is 5. So 31 by 5. Next, the class size is 190 to 200, that is 10. So 70 divided by 10. Last class is 200 to 210, so that is the class size is 10 and the frequency is 20. So 20 by 10. So 7 by 20, find out what is the frequency density. 7 divided by 20, 0.35. 12 by 5 is 12 divided by 5, 2.4. Next, 31 divided by 5, 6.2. 70 divided by 10 is 7. 20 divided by 10 is 2. So the last class they have already drawn the bar which is at 2. We need to complete the histogram now. So first class is 0.35, 160 to 180, till here it is 0.35. So 0.35, how much it will be, just check. It is 5 boxes, one number is being taken. So each box will be 0.2. So 0.2, 0.3 will be exactly in between, somewhere here between the 0.2 and 4. So this is 0.3. 0.3 till 180. This is the first histogram. 2.4 is up to 85, 180 to 85. So this is for x-axis you need to check each box is one number. So 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. This is 85 and it is 2.4. 2.4 will be two boxes above 2. Two boxes above 2. So this is 2 and two boxes above will be like this. And up to 5 only. This is 185. Then 185 to 190 is 6.2. 6.2 is just above 6. One box. This. Next, 190 to 200 is 7. So 7 is here. To drop to 7 here. Okay, it's not to here. Till here. This is the complete histogram for the given question. Question number 16. Matteo invests $1,250 at a rate of R% per year, compound interest. At the end of 6 years, the total value of his investment is $1,484. Calculate the value of R. So we have been given the question as that is invested for 6 years where it is compounded, and we have been given also the total amount. So take the formula of compound interest, principal into 1 plus R we don't know, right, as it is. We need to find R here, and N is 6, and that is equal to 1484. Using this now, just bring all the known numbers on the right side, keeping R on the left side to find the value of R. So you have to bring first 1250 here, keeping 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to 6 on left side. So 1484 divided by 1250. Now we need to take this power. To remove the power, we need to put that root on the left hand side, right hand side. 6th root of 1484. Now in this kind of questions, always completely till the end you write the equation. Don't find the value now itself, because maybe you get in points and at the end you will have lot of difference with the final answer. So first go up to R is how much. Find out how much R is. So R by 100 will be equal to 1 will be subtracted from this 6th root of 1484 by 1250 minus 1. This is the whole thing we got. Then bring this 100 on the other side. It gets multiplied. It is multiplied. Now put this whole expression in the calculator. You will get the value directly, R. So open the brackets and shift key, 6th root, that means go delete this root, 6th root fraction button, 1484 by 1250, then minus 1, close the bracket, into 100, 2.901. This is the answer. So just take 2.9. Question number 16 is done. Question number 17. The diagram shows a quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD. Calculate AD. You need to find AD. So when you want to find AD, you will take this triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, we know two of the sides, we know one of the angle in between them. So you need to use cos rule. So in triangle ABD, AD is equal to square root of, in cos rule you have to square these two sides, 9.6 square plus 12.1 square minus 2 into 9.6 into 12.1 into cos the angle which is already given in between these two sides. Use the calculator, find the answer. Square root of 9.6 square plus 12.1 square minus 2 into 9.6 into 12.1 into cos 56, 10.42329. So just take 10.4 also, final answer, 10.42 centimeters. So here it will be 10.4. This is the answer for question A. B, now calculate the obtuse angle BDC. So BDC is this angle. We need to find the obtuse angle of this. So to get this angle, we'll use sine rule here. This is a side given, this is also side given. This side by this angle, sine angle, and this side by sine angle. You can take the sine rule to get the answer. And in triangle BDC, it is in triangle BDC, sine angle BDC, sine angle BDC by 15.8 will be equal to sine 47 by 12.1. This cross multiply, so you will have sine 47 into 15.8 is equal to 12.1 into sine angle BDC. Now using this equation, sine angle BDC, if you keep on the left hand side, flip the equation, 12.1 will be divided to this. So sine 47 into 15.8 by 12.1. Now we need only the angle, so angle BDC is equal to, applying sine inverse, you get the answer. This is equal to, find out using calculators, sine inverse sine 47 into 15.8 by 12.1. Oh, sorry. 12.1 72.744. Now 72.744 is 72.7 we can take. Now this is not an obtuse angle, it's an acute angle. To get the obtuse angle for sine, you have to take 180 minus theta, because the positive value for sine is in the second quadrant, 180 minus the angle. So obtuse angle will be 180 minus 72.7. Find out 180 minus 72.7. 107.3. So our answer is 107.3. Question number C. Calculate the area of the quadrilateral. Now in finding the area of this quadrilateral, we need to do area of triangle ABD and area of triangle BDC. Both you need to add. Area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BDC. So we know half into AB into sine angle, half into AB into sine angle. Now in this triangle we know these two sides, in this triangle we know these two sides, but we don't know this angle for angle triangle BDC. So find out that angle first. So angle DBC in triangle BDC, angle DBC angle DBC is equal to 180 minus, we got the angle obtuse angle as 107.3 plus the given angle is 56. No, sorry, 47. Find out the third angle there. 180 minus 107.3 plus 47. This is angle sum property of triangles. You have to use that and find out. So this is 27.7 degrees. Now we know that third angle. Now find out the area of angle ABD using area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to half into AB. Half into AB is 9.6 into 12.1 into sine 56 plus half into 12.1 into 15.8 into sine 25.7. So take half into 9.6, 12.1 is common, 12.1 into 9.6 into sine 56 plus 15.8 into sine 25.7. Find out using calculator. Half 15.8 into sine 25.7, 89.603 is the area. .603. So write the answer. Question number 17 is done. Question number 18. 2x square plus 12x minus 2 can be written in the form of a into x plus b whole square minus c. So this is completing the square in algebra quadratic equations, quadratic expressions. We need to find the value of a, b and c. First we have to turn this expression into this. So write down the actual expression here. 2x square plus 12x minus 2. Now taking 2 as common from the whole expression, x square plus 6x minus 1. Now try to make this terms into form of x plus something into whole square. So x square plus 2 into x into 3 will be 6. 2ab plus, now b is 3 here, so write 3 square. There is no 3 square, but you need to write 3 square here and put minus 1 as it is. Then when you are adding 3 square, you have to subtract also 3 square to make it no difference in this. Now 2 into, write this whole thing as x plus 3 whole square. Next, minus 1 minus 9, because minus 3 square is 9, so minus 1 minus 9 is minus 10. Now we got almost this kind, but c should be separated out of bracket. So now multiply this, bring this 2 together, 2 into x plus 3 whole square, then bring this 2 and 10 together, 2 into 10. So it will be 2 into x plus 3 whole square minus 20. Now we got exactly same way, which is a into x plus b whole square minus c form, right? Exactly we got. So a is what? 2. B is what? 3. C is what? 20. So we got the answer. Question number 19. The diagram shows a major sector of a circle with radius 7.5 centimeters. Calculate the perimeter of the major sector. So we need to calculate the perimeter, the outline length of the sector. So perimeter of the sector formula is this is perimeter. Actually I need to write circumference, so perimeter I will write the radius also. Okay, no problem. I'll write theta by 360 into 2 pi r, then add the 2 radius also, 2r. This is the formula. Okay, so using that, theta is what? Theta we don't know, actually they have given outside. So find out this, doing 360 minus 126. So 360 minus 126 is 234. 234 by 360 into 2 into pi into r. R is 7.5 plus 2 into 7.5. Just do this in calculator. 234 by 360 into 2 into pi into 7.5 into 2 into 7.5. Oh, we have to write here plus. plus 45.630 centimeters. This is the perimeter of the sector, major sector. Question number 20. The diagram shows a pyramid OABCD. Okay, here once again there is editing problem, students. There should be a line here from O to M. Okay. And there is also a line like this. Okay, this is the diagram given here. OABCD is a pyramid. Then the pyramid has a square base ABCD. So this is a square base, which with sides 10.5 centimeters. The sides are equal. Square, isn't it? The vertex O is vertically above the center of the base M. So this O is exactly above M. The height of the pyramid is 24 centimeters. So this line is 24 centimeters. Calculate the angle that OA makes with the base. So OA making the angle with the base means this angle we need to find out. So using the Pythagoras theorem, we need to first find out the AM value. To get the AM value, we need to find AC value. So to find AC value, we need to take triangle ABC and do square root of 10.5 square. That is Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, which is a right triangle again, so AC will be square root of 10.5 square plus 10.5 square. This is AC. So AM will be what? Half of it, because diagonals of a square bisect each other. So 1 by 2 into square root of 10.5 square plus 10.5 square. This is AM. Now we know AM, we know OM. So angle we need to take tan angle. Okay, tan angle OAM is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 24, adjacent is this half. So this half 2 can be multiplied to the numerator and keep in the denominator this square root of. Find out. Okay, we need angle, so let us take tan inverse also. Okay, so angle OAM, take tan inverse. Find out in the calculator. Tan inverse 24 into 2 by square root of 10.5 square. Oh, it's not, point has not come. 0.5 square plus 10.5 square. Close the bracket. $72.81. This is the angle. Question number A is done, B now. The diagram shows a frustum of the pyramid OABCD. The height of the frustum is 16 centimeters. Calculate the volume of the frustum. Okay, so to get the volume of frustum, we need to know the volume of the big pyramid, and from that big pyramid subtract the small pyramid volume. Okay, So volume of pyramid O A B C D. Volume of pyramid OABCD is 1 by 3 into base of area, that is 10.5 square, into height. Height is 24. This is the volume of the pyramid OABCD. Then the volume of the pyramid, the smaller pyramid, let us take P Q R S, when this is O. So volume of that, we need to know the sides of the base. Okay, so side of base of small pyramid is equal to, now we need to use the proportionality. So here 10.5 is the base side, so height is 24. Okay, so if the base side if we take some x, the height will be this remaining height, which is 24 minus 16. Okay, so write down in that way, 10.5 by 24 is equal to, this implies 10.5 by 24 is equal to, we don't know the side of the small square, take x, and the height is 24 minus 16. So 10.5 cross multiply, you get the value of x. X is equal to 24 minus 16 is 8. 8 into 10.5 by 24. Do that to find out the answer. 8 into 10.5 by 24. 3.5 will be the side of the base for small square. Now we find the volume for this. So volume of pyramid OPQRS, that is small one, will be 1 by 3 into base square, that is 3.5 square, into 8. Now subtract these two. Volume of frustum is equal to 1 by 3 into 10.5 square into 24 minus 1 by 3 into 3.5 square into 8. You can take 1 by 3 common and then do, or whatever, it's your wish, you can do in that way. However, it will be easy and faster, you can use those methods. 1 by 3 into 10.5 square, or it's not 10.5 square, 5 square, into 24 minus again 1 by 3 into 3.5 square into 8. $849.3333. Okay, so 849.3 centimeter cube. Question number 16 is done. No, question number 20 is done. 21 now. Question number 21. 16 raised to 5m by 4 is equal to 64 raised to 2n. find m in terms of n. Okay, for this now let us make the bases same so that you can equate the exponents and find m in terms of n. So write the given exponents here. Now make 16 as 2 base 2, that is 2 raised to 4. You can do prime factorization. 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 1 2 3 4. So 16 is 2 raised to 4, then whole raised to 5m by 4 is 2 square is equal to 64 is how much? Check. 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 6 are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 raised to 6 whole raised to 2n. Now a raised to m into a raised to m whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So 2 raised to 4 into 5m by 2 raised to 2 is equal to same thing 2 raised to 6 into 2n. This is in the form of a raised to m whole raised to n. Now 2 raised to 4 into 5 will be 20. 2 raised to 20m by 2 raised to 2 is equal to 2 raised to 6 into 2 is 12n. Now bring this 2 also, our bases are same. A raised to m whole a raised to m by a raised to n, that will be m minus n. So write down 2 raised to 20 m minus 2, that is equal to 2 raised to 12n. Now when the bases are equal, the exponents are also equal. So take 20m minus 2 is equal to 12n. Keeping m on the left hand side, m term, bring 2 on the right hand side, 12n plus 2. Then if you keep m here, 12n plus 2 by 20 will be the final answer. Now you can take 2 common here, 2 into 6n plus 1 by 2 into 10, 2 gets cancelled. So 6n plus 1 by 10 is the answer. M is equal to 6n plus 1 by 10 is the answer. Question number 22. I is equal to V by R. V is 50, correct to the nearest 10. R is 13, correct to the nearest integer. Calculate the upper bound of I. Now to find out the upper bound of I is given as V by R. V is in the numerator, R is in the denominator. To get the upper bound, we need to take the upper bound of numerator and lower bound of denominator. So upper bound of V is, it is corrected to 10, nearest to 10. So 50, half of 10 is 5, so 50 plus 5 we need to do, that is 55. This is upper bound of V. You can write in brackets 50 plus 5. Then lower bound of denominator means lower bound of R we need. Is 13 is rounded to nearest integer. So now one integer, when you divide by 2 you get 0.5. 1 by 2 is 0.5. So 0.5 need to be subtracted from 13. So 13 minus 0.5. So how much it will be? For lower bound we have to do subtraction, right? So 0.5. That is 12.5. So lower bound of R is 12.5. So write down here 13 minus 0.5. Okay, so these two values we got now. Find the upper bound of I. (55 by 12.5). What is the answer? Check. .4. So this is the answer. 4.4 is the answer. That's all students, 22 questions. Okay students, thanks for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe to my channel if you feel that my channel is worth of subscribing, because if you subscribe and like my videos, I will be motivated and I can make more content regarding IGCSE mathematics. I'll be coming up with more videos related to core and also O level, A level. So please do subscribe to my channel and give me support. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.